Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing some commonly used networking commands in Windows and its advanced options. At first I am going to start with Windows plus R, which will show me the command. Here I will type CMD and press enter. Now I'm gonna see this interface where I will type ipconfig. Now this command shows the basic network configuration such as IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. So this is the IP. I'm gonna show the IP address first. This is IPv4 address. This is the IP address. This is subnet mask 2555 and this is the default gateway. This one is the default gateway. It shows there's three of us. Now I'm going to do the advanced option of ipconfig, which is ipconfig/off. Now this is an advanced option which shows detailed information like MAC address, DNS server and adapter details. So this is the IP4 address and this is the DHP server, this is the DNS server, and IPv4 address is a MAC address. So this is the MAC address. The IPv4 address, this is the MAC address, and we can see also the DHCP server and the DNS server also here. Now I'm gonna do another advanced option, which is ipconfig/release. By this option we can do the current IP address assigned by with this command. It releases the current IP address assigned to the computer by DHCP server. After running this, the system has no IP address temporarily. Like you can see here that's media disconnected. That's right now this system has no IP address. Now I will do ipconfig renew. ipconfig/renew. With this, we are requesting a new IP address from the DHCP server. It is sometimes used to fix like no internet problems. So we can see the IP address before was 192.168.1.156, but now we are seeing the same IP address. Like, hold on, I'm gonna show like this, 192.168.1.156. It happens because the router still has the valid DHCP lease for my device. That's why sometimes it doesn't change the IP address. Okay, so for the next part I'm gonna do the command netstat. Okay, so with netstat we can see the it's coming up. Okay, so we can see the protocol, we can see the local address, we can see the foreign address, and we can see the state. Okay, so there's the protocol, there's the local address, there's the foreign address, and there's the state. Alright, so now we're gonna do the advanced option of the netstat, which is netstat space A and O. Alright, so with this it shows all the active network connection with the local IP, foreign IP, and state of the connection, like all the it shows in details the protocol, the TCP UDP, and the local addresses and foreign addresses and the states. Okay, now we're gonna do another advanced option, which is netstat space R. Now it shows the routing table of the computer. We can see here, we can see the interface list. It shows the network adapters. Now we can see the IPv4 route table. It shows how IPv4 traffic is routed and also how IPv6 traffic is routed. Okay, so my third command will be host name. Here we can see the name of the host, which is me. The name is Kazi Ulin. It shows the name assigned to this computer on the network. Now there is no dedicated advanced switch for host name, but like we can combine it with ipconfig to show like full network identity information. We can do it. So let's do the host name, then space, then end, then space again, then ipconfig, then slash all. All right, so here we can see the hostname line, we can see the DNS suffix, we can see the network adapters. There's the network adapters names. So by combining this, we can see the hostname line, DNS suffix, and also the network adapter names. Okay, so my fourth command will be getMAC. So we're gonna type GET MAC. Okay, so this getMAC shows the MAC address of the network interface on the computer. So we can see the physical address here, B81E4DFT7. This is the MAC address of my computer. Is the network interface on the computer. Okay, so here is the physical address, is the MAC address, and we can see the transport name here, which is device/TCP/IP, which is the network adapter it is belongs to. Okay, so we am gonna do the advanced option of the getMAC, which is getMAC slash v. All right. So here V stands for verbose, which is mean shows more detailed information. Now here we can see the name of the Wi-Fi, which is the Realtek RTL, and also the name of the Bluetooth device. I don't have any connected Bluetooth device right now. That's why it says the media disconnected. Okay. So by this V, we can see the more detailed information, name of the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth device. Now we will do another advanced option of getMAC, which is GET MAC slash FO list. Okay, with this it makes information easier to understand. Like here we can see the getMAC, there's a lot of things like we don't understand what's actually going on. But with this FO list, we can see the physical address. This is the real physical address, I mean the MAC address of my device, and this is the transport name that which is it's belong to. So this is the physical address of the Bluetooth device and the transport name which is disconnected. Okay, so by FO list, it makes the information easier to understand. Now I'm gonna combine the getMAC V plus FO list. Let's see what it happens. GetMAC space slash V space slash FO list. FO space list. Okay. Yeah. So with this, I'm combining this both, which helps to see the connection names, adapter type, and the MAC address. Okay, so this the connection name is Wi-Fi. This is the network adapter name. This is the physical address. This is the transport name. This is the connection name of the Bluetooth device which is disconnected. So by this getMAC V and FO list, we can see more clearer and like more understandable version of my network connection. That is all from me. That's all the 4 commands that I had gave, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.